7:15 and it's a straight up blizzard on our way to the scope. Quarter to 8. Kids are dropped off. Still can't find my hat. The guys are on their way to the house, but there was a snowstorm this morning, so they're gonna be a little while. I'm gonna be a little while. Good morning. You guys want to hook it up and start the machine?
Yep.
Sweet. I'm gonna go inside and drop a deuce. It's always hit or miss if it's gonna be chaotic when we pull in this place. Phase of my master plan. Robert. It's cold out there. Not as cold as that fat bitch made it look though.
No.
Alright, so it is gonna be almost an hour drive to the job site. On top of getting fuel. My wife says I have poor time management skills. I don't think that's the case. This is what happens when the GPS says, listen, I've seen the places you go. We're gonna take this detour. So I almost forgot to take a video. Almost forgot to take a video. This is what we got today and tomorrow. Probably not tomorrow because it's gonna be cold as shit. The only one that's really questionable is the one limb going to the other backyard that has grown through the power line or the cable line. We'll just have to cut it and leave a block on the line. But yeah, she's a big one. Access isn't terrible, but it's not great either.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
What city is this?
Huh?
What city is this?
This is Berkeley.
Berkeley.
Yeah. I swear to God, it's like hurting fucking kittens. But before I came down for a warm up, this is where we got to. Turned out to be about half a trailer. We'll be on our way to the dump before too. My neck scarf makes my beard look like it's a woodland creature that is nested in my face. I haven't been up here in a minute. Moved a whole lot of shit around. It's gonna be easy to dump this time. These guys are fucking retarded. So we're back from the dump. We're gonna get the rest of that side brushed out and start working on the lowers over here. We've got roughly 3 hours before the dump closes, and we're done for the day. Let's get a move on. Alright, because I am a terrible director, I did not get a shot of the tree before we left the job site. We got the trailer full. I ran the guys back home so I could get them off the clock. And I am at my top secret location where I can dump after hours. I've been out here at like 2 o'clock in the morning as long as I put 25 bucks in the box. get to it. But Ruby, guard the truck, and while I'm gone, don't get in my seat. Oh. I thought I said stay out of my seat. Alright, so this is the top secret dump location, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but in the past week, this has all been me. Not that big hill up there, but all these piles of brush, each one of these has been a load that I brought in here in the past 4 or 5 days. I should probably investigate and make sure that it all came out, because it won't be the first time that I've had some shit stick up in there. Sweet. It all came out. Alright. I fucked that up. 56 minutes to home. Arrival time at home, 7:42.